Welcome in, everybody. This is a 2002 B4C police cruiser. That's actually nicknamed Sninger. This was in service from April of 2002 to October of 2010, actually, so quite a long time. I don't really know what to say in all this, it seems really weird when you try to be really informative and knowledgeable about something. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but we can give you a walk around and show you, and then we'll get inside and take a peek. It's one of those things where you never really see vehicles like this on the road. Usually it's car shows and everything else where you'll see them parked. But this one's actually retired now, so that makes sense. We just got done doing an entire interior detail, well, exterior too, I guess, but there wasn't a lot to do to that. Let's get some light. Hit some of the lights and sirens in a little bit. I gotta hook the battery back up first anyway, so I just kind of make it up, nod my head, yeah. I don't exactly know what you guys want to see here, but we'll just show you a little bit of everything. Yeah, and all this stuff is apparently a disagreement with a battery a while back. I don't exactly know what happened, but I know the battery wasn't happy. That's what I know. Let's get you a passenger side view real quick. All right, now we get you a view of the computer. And it's fully adjustable. Like, you can tilt it and everything else, so we'll tilt it. Hang on. Alright, I don't know if you guys want to see this or not, but let's get this in here. Oh, come on, little fella. There we go. Alright, that's all adjustable. We gotta lock it down. Get that back in there. And that will sit here if we can do it without dropping it and breaking it. We don't want to do that. And then that will slide back in more, just a smidge, then lock it. All right. And then we can choose to open it or whatever else. Sorry if I'm rambling, it's just, I did the first part of this and I was quiet throughout the whole thing. It was really weird watching it. So that's the kind of setup that you need in the back of every vehicle, right? And the extra stuff you got down here. This is a bag for the lights. The light bar up top. The other plates that he sits on it when it's parked. And he's at a show. But that way we got to print out tickets. And we'll get you a view underneath. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do it because, there's not a lot of space. along the side in a second. Oh yeah, look at that. I got inches here. Hang on, look at this. Yeah, this is good. I don't even know if I can fit my phone in there. Oh my god, I can't even fit my phone. Hang on, let's go sideways. Yeah. Can't really see anything. Front will show us something. Look at, there's at least 6 inches here. Get you a view. I mean, it's not often you get to look underneath a police car, right? So, why not? Let's just try to get in there and get whatever looks we can. Officer, can I look underneath your car? I want to see what you got. Maybe in the old days you could get away with something like that, but no, it doesn't look like it's leaking there. Okay, it's probably an old drip. He meticulously maintains this. Get in here and get it started. That way you can see some of the lights and sirens and everything else. Why did I have to shut all the way? Which would be your side ones. That was the right one, and then the left one's the other side. Turn these up. Hang on, we'll try to get one real quick outside of the vehicle. Get this light off. This one's got to get replaced again. We'll get you some view of it out of the vehicle. But if you have issues like seizures or something, you should watch this. I don't have that problem, but some people do it. It's got to be horrible. That's the alley light, right side. There's left side. Like there's about 1 billion different lights. Let's get the top one. All the way around. Hang on. This. If you did, hit a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, show some love. If you got any suggestions, go ahead, hit me up with them. Send a message.